Let's see what's going on over here. Ooh. Le C8 is on the dyno. What's happening, Ryan?
No, not too much. What's happening to you?
Not much. I see the C8 is back on the roller.
Back on the rollers again. Gonna see basically how much the R&D package long tube headers pick up. We started off by doing the catback, which was the Corsa Extreme.
Yep.
Or by Lingenfelter. Or Lingenfelter helped them. They collaborated or whatever. That worked pretty good. I think we picked up like 16 wheel. I think, did we do that on an old video?
Yeah, it was on last week's episode, yep.
Yeah, so that one, and now we're back again. We've got the long tube headers. These are the 2-inch primary. They look pretty nice.
They look nice out of the box. Like
they sound pretty good too.
Like, so. I wasn't here when you guys did the initial startup, so I'm kind of excited to hear this.
It's basically just a little bit louder. So
perfect.
Let's see what everyone thinks.
Alrighty, let's do this.
Cool.
That sounded healthy.
Yeah, we're good. It's like just over 450 wheel. Got a little more tweaks we can do to see if we get a little over that, but we're good for first time.
No, that sounds pretty good.
Well, that would be a 9 horsepower pickup over the last, over just the cap.
So a total of 24 wheel.
Yeah, went from 426 to 451.
Okay.
I'm gonna do a couple more runs just to see. For some reason, why, but on these cars, the third run, they seem to make more.
Well, let's keep.
It's not just me. I'm not crazy. Like, I've been told this from the stage too, so I don't know what the deal is. All right, so I'm gonna give her another one.
All right, give me 1 second. No. Sounds real good, actually. So here's the sound of the C8 with the headers and exhaust with the valves closed. And then when you want to spice things up a little bit, is with the valve open. Quite the difference. A little bit of wild to mild there.
Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Hittin the Rollers. Today we're building a high horsepower NA C7 Grandsport with Brian Tooley Stage 3 camshaft. We got the K-Tech VVT delete plate to lock out the camshaft, DOD plate, K-Tech CNC ported heads. This car already has an MSD intake, long tube headers, and we're going to run a E85 tune in it and try to make some power with it. Item we spec'd out for this car is a K-Tech lightweight flywheel. It saves about 23 pounds off the back of this engine and still utilizes the factory pressure plate and clutch disc.